In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to hide your liked reels on Instagram. Let's get started. By default, Instagram allows your friends to see your liked content through the Friends or Activity tab, but you can turn this off from your settings. So launch your Instagram app. Now you can navigate to the Reels tab. Over here, you can find this section of Friends. When you scroll over here, you're gonna find all the reels your friends have liked. Likewise, your friends will also be able to see the reels that you have liked. To turn this feature off, go to your profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Navigate to the section Who Can See Your Content. Under this, you're gonna find the option of Activity in Friends tab. Click on that. Now in this page, you're gonna find the option Who Can See Your Likes, Comments, and Reels. Change this setting from followers you follow back to no one, and your liked posts and reels will become completely private. If you don't see this option, make sure to update Instagram from the Play Store or App Store, as this feature may not be available in older versions. And that's it. This way you are able to hide the likes you have made on Instagram reels and posts from your friends. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.